Hi, this is the Contractual NFT project demo for Polygon on the 0xHack hackathon. Currently I'm running the UI locally and the smart contract is on the Mumbai testnet on Polygon. So the aim of this NFT project is to provide a service where artists can collaborate with each other by creating contractual agreements where they define terms, and then once the project is complete it will mint an NFT to commemorate the completion of the project. So currently I'm connected with this account here on MetaMask. This then shows down here, so they're automatically added to the agreement. We can add another address, and this button here allows more to be added also, so I'll quickly add another address to the agreement, so there'll be 3 parties in total. Down here, this is currently just a placeholder for text, however it could be more specific fields depending on the context, and this is then stored in IPFS to save space on chain and reduce costs. So if I press create agreement, it will bring up a transaction with MetaMask, which I hope you can see in this recording. Currently on the Mumbai testnet here, transaction very cheap, fortunately, thanks to Polygon. Cost a fortune on Ethereum mainnet. So that will be created. Currently it's not listening for updates, although that's something I'll add in the future. So we can check that's gone through, so we can refresh this and it will show the new one here. There's some issues with IPFS currently, getting the text back and parsing it exactly the same, but that's not too much of an issue. It shows the status also, so there's 3 boxes here for the counterparties. Once we click on that, it'll take us to the actual counterparty page, where we can see all the counterparties and their statuses. Then for the connected counterparty, we can approve it or disapprove it. The agreement works on a sort of governance basis, so once each counterparty has approved the agreement, it can be completed. So currently if I approve it, it'll create another transaction since it's transacting on chain. Can confirm that. If we just wait 1 second, actually I'll change the account so I can show you on a different account also that we can just deny it. Just connect to this so we can see the previous account that we're connected to has been approved. We're now on a different account, 48, which we can see we can modify further. So we can go to deny, confirm that transaction, and I'm currently not listening for the events, but that's something I plan on doing in the future. That's still pending, so I'll wait until that finishes. In future also, if there was a disagreement with the counterparties involved, it would go to a community vote, which people would be allowed to see the final product and the agreement and vote on whether the terms were met so that it can be resolved and the NFT minted. This is also just a placeholder currently, but in future files could be uploaded here, which would then be used in the final NFT creation, as well as all the terms metadata. And once all parties approved, in future it will allow for minting the NFT. It works in the smart contract currently, but the UI functionality isn't finished yet. And that is everything. That's the entire project. It's quite simple currently, but it does work. And we can see down there it's updated the status also. That's everything. Thanks very much, and it's been great fun building on Polygon for the past week. Thanks.